the banana puff that we made. It's good. It's fresh. I mean, the banana is fresh, and then we made the chocolate. Okay, we melt the chocolate with butter, and the result is it's healthy. And you make this for your kids, they will be very happy. They will love you, and you do it, you work together, and this is so good. Very successful, my friend. Cheers. Give us a like.
Good job, Ta.
Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Ali Casper. Today I'll teach you how to make chocolate or banana pops. This is really good in the Philippines because you can teach your kids how to do this in a healthy way instead of buying some popsicle outside. Use the banana and then just put in the freezer, and then you'll be fine. So the ingredients are, we have Nesquick. So Nesquick is good because it's healthy for kids. And then we have a cup of hot water, and then popsicle stick, and then we have half of this batter, one half of this. So I'll cut it half, just estimate it, half of this, a half of this. And then put in the little pan, or whatever you have. Put in here, and then you can buy anywhere, Walmart, those cooking chocolate. You can melt this in the pan, put it together, and then 4 bananas. Here's 4 bananas cut into half. This is very easy. We're gonna show you when the chocolate is melted and everything, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, after you peel the banana, cut it half and then insert the stick, just like so. Okay, here's that one. So when the chocolate melt, just dip into that one. Look like this. Okay, and then another one. Make sure it will not be really close to each other because it will stick. And then when it dry, just put it in the microwave.